This video is sponsored by Value Testers, best tool company on the web specializing in high-end HVAC, heating, electrical testing equipment. They have whatever you might need. Sign up for special discounts and pricing. Link in description below.
Morning guys, August 5th, 2019. Today I got a call for no AC. System's been working fine. All of a sudden the lady come home and it's not working. So she said she shut it off. We'll go over there and give it the old how you doing. We'll go by there and give it the old how you doing, mama. See if we get it going for the lady.
Take 1/4 mile. Turn right on Cabana Bridge. 1/4 mile. Turn left on Elm Street, then take the first right.
You got it off. Cooling. So it stopped last night.
Yeah. I went out this morning and checked. Now you said something about before if there was frost on the...
Yeah.
I didn't see anything.
Okay. Fans running. I don't like the fans running. Probably off on time delay. Unless it's on time delay, got a bad thermostat or something, but she's starting. Fan's definitely blowing. Give it a couple of more minutes there, we'll see if that be a bad thermostat. It's kind of hard to hear if this thing's working, if the flipping thing's running. She's definitely running. I got a bad contactor there, maybe. Let's see if we got low voltage coming out here. Make sure I don't get zapped. Yeah, we got 24 volts coming out here, but the contactor's not pulling in. So we got 24 volts, but the contactor's not pulling in. Yeah, 24 volts. We got a bad contactor there. So I gotta change that contactor. Make sure I got no voltage coming in. Yeah, that's off. We're gonna disconnect the we'll shut the unit off inside and change that contactor. That's all. Got a bad contactor outside, I'll change it.
A bad contact?
Yeah, you got voltage going outside to pull in the contactor, but it's not pulling in. So it's not sending power to the outside. It's sending low voltage to the outside unit contactor, but it's not pulling in to send the voltage to the outside unit to run.
Oh, okay.
So I have to change the contactor outside. I have them in the truck.
Okay.
Dead bird. Gotta get a contactor out of the truck. Here we go, single pole, 24 volt coil. That's the ones we want right there. Alright, so I got the power off. Should be able to disconnect this thing and get it tipped to the side so we can work on it maybe. Power's off to it. Alright. I got my low voltage. Disconnect that. It's kind of corroded. Low voltage. I did confirm the power is off on it. Single poles on this side, but you don't really need it because it's a straight AC. There's no crankcase heater, so you don't really need that. We'll put it back in the same way it was. Just for shits and giggles. Two blacks here. Two reds. I got a red and a red. I got a black and a black. I gotta try to get that other screw on that back side over there too. I don't know if I can or not, but we're gonna try. Alright, and then we got the low voltage. One on this side. And one on this side. Well, that should take care of it. We'll turn the unit back on and she should fire up. That's a 24 volt coil. Looks a little corroded there, huh?
That was it?
Yeah, I'll show you what it was. Cooling. Once it's off on delay, she should fire. That's the part that was bad. We had 24 volts going to this, but it wasn't pulling it in.
Oh.
Okay? So
Okay.
we just changed it out.
Very good.
Anything mechanical can break, right?
Yeah, that's true.
I was here a couple of months ago checking this thing. I know the charge is good. I was here a couple of months ago checking it. Well, that's what it was, a bad contactor. And a couple of more of these I gotta plug in that I unplugged. And then this one, I plugged all three of those I unplugged, so they're all back together. I know the charge is good. I just checked this thing a couple of months ago. It was fine.